Hello everybody, good evening. I am Nitin. These students are working on a project named as CPU temperature controlling device. This device can monitor and control the temperature of a CPU. So, these students are working on a controller 8051. You can take a look on this. We programmed this controller to sense the current temperature of the environment, surroundings, and then according to that control the temperature of the CPU. For this purpose we use a fan which controls the temperature of the CPU. Okay, let's see the working. This is the power supply unit. We are getting AC 220 volt AC, which is the most fondly supply in our household, 220 volt. By using a transformer we step down it to the 9 volt output. Next, this output is AC. This is 9 volt AC output. We convert it into the DC by using this bridge rectifier. After that, we uses a regulator 7805, which is a voltage regulator, which converts the output supply into the 5 volt. This supply is fed to the entire circuit and responsible for the working of the whole circuit. This circuit uses a 89C51 controller, which is of 8051 family, which is a powerful controller which can process about 1 million instructions per second. We uses a keypad for the input of the temperature and all other parameters. We uses a LCD for the output display and a fan for controlling the temperature of the external device. Besides this, we are also using a buzzer which indicates the higher temperature. In this project, user can input any desired value, and according to that value the temperature of the device can be controlled. Okay, let's see the working. Besides this, in this project we are using a temperature sensor which is DS1621. This is a sub temperature. This IC includes a temperature sensor as well as a ADC. It uses the I2C protocol for transferring the data by which we communicate with this IC. So let's see the working. Firstly, this is a reset switch by which we on the project. You can see on the LCD it displays the welcome to automatic temperature controller. After this, it's asked for the temperature values. Let's wait. It's asking for the enter to continue. This is the keypad and this is the enter key. When I press this enter key, then it's asked for the values. This is the higher temperature value TH. After this TH value, when the temperature of the surrounding increases by this TH value, then the alarm sounds. Okay, let's enter the user temperature value. I am entering the 25 degrees centigrade. You can enter any value. After that, I have pressed OK. Now it's asking for the lower temperature value. I am entering 17 degrees centigrade. Okay. After pressing OK, it shows that the higher value is 25, after which buzzer starts and the TL is 17, below which the device goes on stop. Let's start enter. Now it's showing the current temperature of the room is 19 degrees centigrade. For the illustration of this project, I am going to manually increase the temperature of the surrounding. So I am using my body heat for increasing the temperature of the surrounding. As you can see, the temperature goes increasing 20, 21, 22, there is a bit cold, so it's increasing slowly. Let's wait. It's 23, 24, you can see as it touches the 25, the fan starts and the buzzer starts beeping. You can see this. The buzzer starts beeping and the fan starts. It continues beeping until and unless the temperature goes below 17 degrees centigrade. So there is a wide applications of this project. Okay, please off this. So you can see that there is a wide